Well, happy Monday to you out there in YouTube land. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader. I trade on the foreign exchange as well, on the Forex, and I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. We primarily look at Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum and Litecoin, XRP, some of those major ones that people like to trade on this channel, and we do it on a fairly regular basis. Don't forget tonight, guys, we are going to do Sunday night charts, but we're going to do it tonight at Monday night charts. It'll be at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, 9 o'clock Eastern Time tonight, so you make sure you're around for that. We'll have a good time. That grab your coffee and sit around, and we'll look at the charts and see where Bitcoin is heading. But until then, let me give you just a quick analysis that I'm seeing this morning. Tell you what I think. What I think doesn't mean what's gonna happen. It's just the way I'm thinking about the market now and sharing it with you guys. So don't forget, it's not financial advice. Let's jump into the market. We're looking at the Bitcoin chart here on the 1 hour. That's what you're looking at right now. Here, I want to highlight something here and just basically tell you what I'm expecting to see. I believe Bitcoin to do. Okay, if you look at this area of the chart right there, that's basically when we had a major drop after this move to the upside. Okay, we had a move to the upside, had a bit of a correction. I think it's a fourth wave, right? Immediately following that drop, we had chop, and then we had action that ate it. We had price action that ate up the price drop pretty quickly. Okay, we staggered a little bit, and then we came back down. And basically, the formation that was created was this right here. And I would say that is pretty much the best I can tell is your three-wave move. Okay. The other way to look at the three-wave move here is we had a down move, we had a three-wave move up, and then we had this move right there. And so there's a three-wave move there, and then or we can actually bring it down to here, and then we made our way up from there. Okay. Now, why do I bring that up? Because I'm finding a pattern in Bitcoin that happens very often. Okay, and I just want to highlight it to you. Okay, whenever we have these kind of large dumps, generally price action eats it up pretty quickly. I mean, you can see it on these. They happen all the time. These straight down moves, and then price action that eats it up. Okay, it doesn't mean it goes up forever. It just means price action eats it up, and then it may continue down or whatnot. So, you can just see it on the chart. Let's just look here. You had a straight down move here recently. Now price action has eaten it up. Now, what happened after price action, we had this move, this three-wave move to the downside. That, guys, is what I'm pretty much waiting for. I'm waiting on that third leg here, so that we get something like this. Okay, even if it's a running flat, it ends up here, and then we end up going up. And I've said that in several videos before, and that's what I'm waiting for. To be honest with you, I thought it was happening right here, especially the way that, well, my keyboard has stopped working. There we go. Especially the way that this wave came down. It looked pretty much like we were heading down from there. Yeah, this is just basically anybody short. It's screwing everybody out. So anyway, what I'm looking for basically right now, the best I can see is that I'm waiting for this a move to start heading down. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean we might not have more upside. In fact, we might even come up and test this high. We might come up and break that high before we come down. Either is possible. Okay. But I'm still looking for a corrective move down to the downside, down to this region right here, this price zone in here at least. Okay. This price zone right in here. Okay, I'm looking to retest that area, maybe even the bottom here. Probably not that deep, but probably something like in this region right here, and then I think we're going to head up from there. Um, why do I think that? Well, number one, because price action history. Now, history in charts doesn't have to repeat itself, but it shows you a tendency of the way a chart moves and the way a chart has a tendency to move. So that's one reason. Now, second reason here is I have nothing, guys, nothing in this wave right here that is telling me we have an impulse wave. There's nothing here that is saying impulse to me. I can't find a 1-2-1-2. I can't find, everything to me is three waving. It's three waving us to death, which tells me we're most likely, A, in a diagonal, or B, in a corrective wave. Now, if we're in some kind of a diagonal, This is an ugly diagonal, but it could be some kind of a diagonal. Okay, and if it is, it's ugly and it's not good. But regardless, we should get a three-wave move out of that diagonal before we head up. So either way, diagonal corrective move, we're still looking to the downside before we go up. Best I can see. That is the best I can tell from this market. In fact, I would not be surprised if we start heading down from this move now. I mean, just look at this move right here. Well, come on. This is three waves right there. Three waves here. Impulse. That's a 335. That's a flat. Okay. Even though this didn't come down to 90%, still got the count of a flat. Um, three waves there. Okay. Three waves there. Three waves, three waves, three waves. This is three waves. Everything's three waves, guys. There's no five wave structure. The only five wave structures that you're getting are within a three wave. Right here, there's a five wave structure right there, but that's within a three wave move. Okay, and it doesn't measure impulsively. In other words, this is the one wave, but we didn't get up here to the 1618. We didn't have an impulsive move. We had a corrective move to the upside. So nothing is measuring right. Everything is measuring correctively. It's telling me, guys, that we're probably not going up from here, even though price is pumping up. I don't think we're going up from here. I think we're gonna have a hit down here, and then we'll work our way up to the upside after that. Okay. Well, that's the way I'm looking at the market today, and those are the things I'm thinking about. Just wanted to share that with you. We're going to look in depth tonight during Monday night charts, so I'll prepare some depth charts for tonight. But that's all I want to share today, guys. Just kind of say, hey guys, don't get too bullish right now. I don't think we're heading quite up quite yet. Okay, but I think we're going up. I am bullish long term, and I think we will be heading up, and I'm going to be looking for long soon. But with that being said, right now I'm looking for a short down to the downside, or at least waiting for the downside before we go long. All right, you guys have a great day. Trade safe, be smart with your money, hold on to that capital, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.